Hey folks, Cueball here. It's been a while in the shed. How we all doing? Hopefully we all had a nice Christmas, New Year to come. How you doing, Ian? I know you're watching, mate. You twat. Anyway, on to the video. Yeah, I just thought I'd do this quick little video. Mrs. Cueball's just took me down to a new little bike shop down in Kings Winford. They're called Bike Store UK. Get down and check them out. Lovely little chap. Brought myself some new gloves and a nice new bike jacket. Had a few odd quid spare, so I thought I'd treat myself to something essential, to something that we should all really carry while we're out riding. Del Boy's Garage has done a review on one of these before, so I thought I'd show it you all and have a look what's inside and show you how it works and see what you think. So here we are, a Oxford cable repair essential emergency cable repair kit. Comes in your basic package. Basically it comes with two cables, one with a bigger knobbly thing on the end, the other one's a smaller one, so I'm guessing the other one's for a 125 engine, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different accessory pieces, solderless nipples, 5mm times 8mm, 7mm times 11mm, and 8mm times 12mm, 8 times 13mm, 8 times 14 with sleeve and nut millimetre, and 10 times 20mm. Nipples 7 times millimetre times 9, horizontal barrel nipple for 1mm cable, 7.8mm times 15mm shouldered horizontal nipple for a 1.5 metre cable, a 3.5-6mm brass steed sleeve nipple for a 1.1 cable, and bow end cables is a 1.6 metre times 1.5mm with a 3.5-6mm step nipple on one end, 1.6 metre times 1mm with 3mm nipple on one end. That's the two cables with the two bowed-in cables with the thing on the end. So let's have a look what's inside. Comes in a nice little metal tin. Just unscrew it like so. There you have one contents of a cable repair kit. Comes with all these accessories. Now obviously you'll feed it through on whichever one you need. Flathead, I'm guessing you just tighten them up. But if it is, you do have that occasion when you're on the road and you're going along and you get that, oh shit, my fucking cable snapped. It's well worth having one of these. Comes with the two cables, like so. I did unravel that one earlier. It comes with, that one's already done up, look, with the small one on the end, and let's just have a look. I'll show you there. With that on the end, and then obviously you get your kit, whichever one you need. You fit that on there, fit it on like so, and on you go. And this is obviously your bigger cable, and it's all ravelled together. Get the one end again, and then you get the bigger end, which is obviously for your bigger bikes. I just thought I'd share that with you. Something that we should all really carry, I think. I've got my old Suzuki Bandit 600 repair kit underneath, which comes with all your tools like your spark plugs and all your essential spanners and screwdrivers and whatever else you need. And I think this, with the two, well, the other cable and the other little nipples that come with it, is an essential piece of kit. I'm just going to put this back in here and I'll come back to you. 1 minute. Right folks, Cueball back. I just took the seat off his head. I've cut up a piece of plastic because I think there's some water getting in at the back. So I'm just going to, yeah, I'd normally carry that with me, which is just your normal kit, you know, it comes with all your spark plug tools and spanners and whatever you need, which was off the Bandit. Should be the same job on his head. And the cable repair kit, which I think is a great addition to the under seat basic kit that you need if you ever break down on the road, especially if your clutch cable goes, which I have had that personal experience and I don't wish to experience again. So I think that, put it down in there nice and tucked away under your seat. You don't need to come in, you know what your seat looks like underneath, don't you, with your wiring and stuff. It's nicely tucked away. Get the seat back on. Yeah, so I just thought I'd share that all with you. Oxford cable repair, essential emergency cable repair kit. That's a review slash tip from Cueball Productions. You can get yourself one, put it under your seat, and hopefully that'll save you one day. Catch you for the next one. Ride safe.